Good morning, friends. We have a special this week that I think is just going to knock your socks off. First of all, our famous bok choy, they're coming out huge and beautiful. And second, our tatsoi. Tatsoi is the sister to bok choy, but with a little bit different flavor, So here's the deal. If you would like a true Chinese stir fry that's so easy to make, mix the two of these together with some garlic, a little salt, and your favorite seasonings, and just stir fry them up with a little bit of coconut oil or olive oil, and oh my gosh, you're gonna go straight to Chinese heaven. This is mainland China when you mix the two together, and if you have not yet done that, we're gonna make it possible for you with a special, because we're loading up a bunch of bags of bok choy and tatsoi, and you can pick these up on special this week for $3. That is a lot of greens. I mean, multiple meals right there for you. And for $3, you can pick up a bok choy and a tatsoi, and you're going to be impressed. Now, we have some recipes marked below for you to try out, or just get creative and do it all on your own. Bok choy, tatsoi at the Tuesday market, Tuesday morning from 9 to 12. We look forward to seeing you there at the Global Food Providers table, at the Tap Out Bar and Grill, Tap Out, back at the pool tables. See you there.